Hey, my name is Jessica and we're going to talk about the order of operations today. The order of operations, we start with parentheses. We move on to exponents. Then we have multiplication. Then we have division, addition, and finally we do subtraction. To help everyone remember the order of operations, we often create mnemonic devices. One that some people use is please eat more Doritos and salsa. And a lot of times teachers will use this one, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And another one could be penguins eat mini donuts after school. I encourage you to create your own mnemonic device so you can remember these order of operations. Okay, so now we're going to do some examples using the order of operations. So our first problem is 5 plus parentheses 7 plus 3 in parentheses minus 2. So first we need to go down our order of operations list and see what we have. First we look for parentheses, and in our problem we have parentheses. So we work that first. So 7 plus 3 is 10. And then we need to check off parentheses, and we bring the rest of our problem down so we can continue working. Then we go down our list and see that we don't have any exponents, there's no multiplication, no division, but we do have some addition, so we need to do that. So 5 plus 10 equals 15, and then we bring down the rest of our problem, and we check off addition, and lastly we do subtraction. And 15 minus 2 is 13. So our next example is 10 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2. We look on our list and see if we have parentheses, and we do. So we subtract 2 from 4, and we get 2, and we cross parentheses off our list. We bring the rest of our problem down, and we continue. There's no exponents, so we don't need to worry about that, but we do have some multiplication here. So we multiply 3 by 2 and we get 6, and we mark that off our list. Then we bring down the rest of our problem. There's no division, so we mark that off our list, and we do see some addition, so we need to do that. 10 plus 6 is 16, and that's our final answer, and we didn't have subtraction, so we just cross that off. The last problem we are going to do is 14 plus 2 multiplied by 13 minus 4 minus 4 squared. So we look at our list and see that we have parentheses in our problem, so we subtract 4 from 13 and we get 9. We cross that off our list and we bring the rest of our problem down. Next, we see that exponents are on our list, so we need to do that first in our problem. So we do 4 squared is 16, and we cross that off our list, and we bring the rest of our problem down. And next on our list is multiplication, and we do have some multiplication here. So 2 multiplied by 9 is 18, and we check that off our list, and we bring the rest of our problem down. Next, we don't have any division in our problem, so we cross that off. And addition, we have 14 plus 18 equals 32. And we mark that off and we bring the rest of our problem down. And the last thing on our order of operations list is subtraction, so we do that. So 32 minus 16 is 16. And that is our final answer. This concludes my tutorial on the order of operations. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.